I'm Julius Ligamzon, Department Manager of Charawen Papan Foods Philippines Corporation. 2013, we start the visa processing with them. 2014, nag-start na po yung pagkuha namin ng tickets sa kanila. So, yung tickets na ito until 2024. We're very happy that we still partner of City Travel. Hindi na namin pinoproblema, especially during holidays, even day offs, we can contact them immediately. In terms naman sa payments, in terms for service fee, napaka-competitive ng presyo ng City Travel. Also discounts, when we ask them if we can get discounts, they also offer discounts that will be very helpful. We are very happy na na-invite namin yung mga CP employees around the world with CP Russia, CP USA, CP Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, China, Myanmar. City Travel is the one who cater or who help us for the tour starting from Northern Luzon, Baguio, Benguet, and then we go to Visayas, Cebu, we go to Oslo. Tinulungan nila kami, hindi lang doon sa visa and sa tickets, tinulungan nila kami na maiparamdam namin dun sa ibang CP partners namin all around the world na eto, meron kayong partner na City Travel na handang tumulong, na handang magbigay ng serbisyo hanggat makakaya nila.